Delving into the depths of the midnight soul, in the aftermath of our inner world turning dark, we quickly find ourselves haunted by ghostly shadows. Everything seems ominous and terrifying. However, most people fail to introspect correctly. The real issue lies within our inner world. The absence of light in our hearts is the true culprit. As the soul plunges into darkness, ghostly shadows emerge. It's not just a momentary gloom, but a profound abyss of the spirit. Most choose to escape, yet they fail to see the deficiency within. The key to resolving the issue lies in examining our inner selves. The lack of inner light allows darkness to spread within the soul. Confronting the darkness within is the only way to find a true remedy. This isn't a conspiracy of the external world, it's a genuine reflection of the inner world. Courageously facing the inner self, and illuminating the internal radiance is the antidote. It's not a nightmare, it's the beginning of awakening.